Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Nev's Garage. Now, if this is your first time joining us here on our channel, thanks for clicking that link. But what you're going to want to do is hit that subscribe button and also toggle on the little bell. That way you'll be notified when our next video drops. Don't get too concerned with that just now though, what's happening next time, because this time is a cracker. What we're going to be doing today is showing you how to fix a missing captive thread. Alright, now this bad boy here is the thread that's supposed to retain our gas struts, right, on this MY99 WRX. Now this really caused us some trouble when recently we changed the gas struts. Had no thread to screw them in, right? So it is fixable. Gonna show you how to do that now. Let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, we're going to want to get our old thread out, okay? So, it's naturally, thanks to gravity, falling down the bottom here. So I reckon if we just pop our wiring grommet out of the bottom here, somewhere here we'll find a little nut. Okay, there she is, alright? So there's our old unit. You can see it's had three tiny little spot welds there, and she's just ripped off the body sometime in the past. So let's fix her up. Alright, so first we're just going to sort of repair the area here where it's torn away and the body metal is all twisted and bent, okay? So we're just going to get our ball peen hammer and just flatten this down again. Like that. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to manufacture a new little threaded tab for the inside of the body. But how are we going to get it in there? Well, what we're going to do, we're going to pop this little grommet out here for our rear window demister. Alright, we're going to slide it from this hole here down into behind this one. Alright, and that's what we're going to use for our new thread. So I'm going to fabricate that now. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to pop an 8mm hole through this old flat bar, and that's what's going to become our threaded boss. I'm now going to cut a thread in it with an M8 by 1.25 tap. And so there we go, there's our thread. Now what we're going to do is trim this plate so we can fit it inside the panel. See? There it is. One little holder now so we can insert it down in the panel. So I've just got to clean this up now and get it ready to pop down the door. Alright, so let's put our little repair part down in there now. So I'm just going to bend this wire like this so we can feed it down in there like that, hopefully. In through our wire grommet hole like this, and then down the panel, and there it is. Just going to put another bend in the end of it. Just going to bend it like this, and then like this. In through the hole. Down the panel. And where is it? And there it is. Okay, cool. So we're going to ball and a nice washer, and I'm going to try and screw it into our new boss. Okay, now I can feel it starting to torque up. Now what's going to happen now is I tighten this, because that plate is long, it'll just spin around and hit the body and stop, and then we'll be able to tighten that up. Beautiful, that's torqued up nice and tight. So now we've got our ball on, what we're going to do now is just cut this. This was our wire, remember, to feed it in, and we're just going to tuck it into the panel. I'm just going to put a bend in here so I can cut it like that. And another pair of pliers. Just tuck him inside like that, put our grommet in, and it's fixed. How good's that? Thread's all fixed now, probably better than it was originally because it's got a nice big purchase on the panel. Alright guys, well, got our thread all fixed up. That was a pretty simple fix, huh? Now if you want to see the video about the struts changing in, that's how we found our dodgy thread in the first place, make sure you check that video out. It's a must watch. But that wraps us up again. So thank you for liking and sharing us here on YouTube, and make sure you jump on our Instagram, follow us there for all the gossip and behind the scenes photos. Until next time, this is Nev's Garage.